Breaking news coming in. Makkal Nidhi Mayam leader Kamal Haasan to contest from Coimbatore South constituency confirms that he is going to be debuting in electoral politics. He has gone ahead and released his party's candidate list. That's the breaking story coming in with Haasan's poll debut. News coming in about Kamal Haasan's poll debut. The M&M chief, the Makkal Nidhi Mayam chief, Kamal Haasan. It's going to be his first election. He's going to be contesting from Coimbatore South constituency. He has gone ahead and confirmed that he will be debuting in electoral politics. He releases his party's candidate list. It'll be interesting to watch out for this particular list, and Pramod can get us more information on this. If he's live with us, we can go to him for more on the story. Questions arising on whether or not Kamal Haasan will be able to put a dent in the vote bank of the Dravidian parties who have a stronghold in the state of Tamil Nadu. Pramod is now joining us live for the latest. Pramod, couple of questions come to the fore. One is, of course, one would be intrigued about the party's candidate list that has been released by Kamal Haasan, and secondly, whether or not he's going to be able to put any kind of a dent on the existing vote bank that the Dravidian parties already garner the support of the ones who have a stronghold in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Yes, I am.
All right, let's re-establish that connection to Pramod right there. Apologies, viewers. Pramod will be back with us in just about a bit. But as the poll-bound Tamil Nadu is gearing up for the elections, Makkal Nidhi Mayam leader Kamal Haasan going to be contesting from Coimbatore South constituency. Pramod is joining us for the latest. Pramod, this time around, if you can hear me, the question was about whether or not Kamal Haasan is going to be able to have an impact in terms of a dent in the existing vote bank that has been garnered, the support that has been garnered by the existing Dravidian parties who have a stronghold in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Well, for a new party, Kamal Haasan's Makkal Nidhi Mayam did fare well in 2019 elections, at least garnering a certain amount of vote, and believing in that and claiming that his policies, especially following that of Gandhi's and also being honesty as his only weapon, Kamal Haasan has been constantly saying that he's going to contest, and this time he's contesting from South Coimbatore. In fact, earlier there were rumors about him contesting from two locations. One is from close by Chennai, called as Alandur, and South Coimbatore. But this time he has made it very clear that he's going to go all the way to Coimbatore, South Coimbatore. He's going to contest from there. And he also has released an earlier list of candidates as well, which included several IAS officers and activists, such as environmental activists. But this time Kamal has said that he's going to contest from South Coimbatore, and he also has promised that he will win from there.
All right, leave it at that, Pramod. Thanks for joining us with the very latest details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.